So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when your computer turns on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. Another way to get into that screen, if it does let you come into Windows, then you want to head over to Search and type in Reset this PC. Click on it. Now once you're on this, next to Advanced Startup, you want to click on Restart Now, and then click on Restart Now again. It will then take you into this screen. Now once you're on this, there are many things that we can try. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Repair. If you do not see Startup Repair, you want to click on CMA Recovery Options, then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Startup Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. If this does work for you, it will take you back into Windows and this should not fix your problem. If that's still not working, then you want to come back into this screen. I'll show you how to do that at the start of the video. Now for the second method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and this time System Restore. Now once this comes up, if you have any restore points available, you want to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. Hopefully this will not fix your problem. If you don't have any restore points, we're going to click on Cancel. For the next method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and this time uninstall updates. Now once you're on this, you want to uninstall the latest quality update. Click on Uninstall again. See if that fixes your problem. If not, you want to click on Close. For the next method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. Now once you're on this, you want to type in bootrec /fix mbr. Click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootrec /scan os. Click on Enter again. And then once that's been done, you want to type in bootrec /rebuild BCD. Click on Enter again. Wait for this to load. For the next command, we're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on Enter again. And you now want to run this scan. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once you complete that scan, for the final command, we're going to type in chkdsk c:/f/r, and then click on Enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Now once you do all of that, we can now close out of this. Now you want to continue to Windows, and this should not fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you want to come back into this screen. You want to click on Troubleshoot, and then click on Reset this PC. If you don't have your files backed up, you want to click on Keep My Files. If you do have your files backed up, you want to click on Remove Everything. You want to reset your PC, and this should not fix your problem.